So I clipped off the first little bit of the guys rolling up and positioning the trucks and whatnot. And they're just getting to work up the pole, moving things around and disconnecting the feed that goes down and underground up the and up the valley. So we've got it all disconnected, and I wander through the shot. They yanked that pole out of there whole, and they've got the two guys on the in the bucket trucks holding the wires apart. And they go and they do some drilling. They punch out that hole, the existing hole, a little bit more. Now it seems like nothing's going on, but there's a whole beehive of activity right at the back of the truck. They're basically assembling the new pole, swing it up, and drop it in the hole. Boom, done. But not done. They're going to reconnect all the wires, and that takes a minute or two. And then they've got to pick up the feed that goes up the valley, reconnect it to the pole, and then reconnect it to the wires above. Making sure all the grounds are right, making all the connections right. They're installing circuit breakers at this point. And they swing the old pole out of the way on the far left-hand side. And then it's lunchtime.